us. So this is the time to make that push and tell Tinubu to be the last president so that everybody can be free. We have our land. We can trade with each other. We will not need a visa to go to Biafra land. We will have diplomatic tie. The British does not need a visa to go to Germany. Most of them are watching football now, and I believe they won the last game yesterday, taking them to the next stage. I didn't watch the football. Which one be say stop the insult? It no go better for you. As you come to my platform, say stop insult. It no go better for your papa. Your papa no go burn you well. You come on, you think this place now? Shewan Kimbaloya be Channels Television. It no go better for you. Stop insulting. They are raping you. They are burning your houses, killing every one of you. You can't do no jack shit. Come on the platform. Say stop insulting. Stop insulting. No go better for your papa. So most of you that are thinking that the North does not have a plan, they have